Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna drive to Louisville, Kentucky. So this video is for us to show you the famous Slugger Museum. This museum is about 45 to an hour drive from E-Town, Kentucky. They are open daily from 9 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So guys, welcome! We are now here in the Slugger Museum and Factory. So guys, for more information, here's their website and admission fees. So guys, we are now here in their retail outlet. What is cool about it, you can personalize your name in these bats. They are selling different cool stuff in here like bats pen, mini bats, keychains, sunglasses. They have different kinds of shirts, mugs, and the bats, they have different colors too. They have hats and so on. So it's very enjoyable to come and visit here. So guys, now that we are done with the museum, we decided to drive around Highlands, Kentucky. So this area is about few minutes away from the said museum, and this is also the area where we rented our Airbnb. So if you haven't watched that video yet, please do so you will see how the shotgun house looks like. So that's pretty much it guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you again on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.